Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to check the resident request list in Heartopia in just a few taps. First, just open your game and look at the top left corner of the screen. Just tap the icon that looks nude or that looks nude like this. Just click on it, and then in here you can see the full list of available quests from the residents. Just scroll through and choose the one that you want to complete. Just tap on in progress like this, and then just choose the request or quest that you want to complete, and then next just tap on track quest until it changes into the stop tracking button like this, and then next just continue to complete your quest, and then now you're ready to start to completing the resident request in Heartopia. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.